Hey, it's Joel. I want to tell you about FogBugz. It has 5 big features. You got a wiki for writing documentation. There's a project management system where you list all the things you're going to work on. And then FogBugz actually tells you when you're going to ship. And this is really cool. It calculates the probability that you'll ship on time. There's a bug tracker to keep on top of all the bugs you need to fix. It keeps a complete history of each one. And finally, there are all kinds of communication tools for talking to your customers,
Joel?
like email and built-in discussion
Joel?
groups.
Hey, Joel.
Yeah?
You didn't tell him what this is.
What do you mean?
Tell him it's a website.
Oh, yeah. It's a website. See, it's in a browser.
Thanks, Joel.
FogBugz.com. What?
What?
You're giving me that look.
Well, what if they don't want their data on our servers?
Oh, well, you can download FogBugz and run it on your own web server if you want.
Okay.
Okay, so let me start by talking about the wiki.
Tell us what a kiwi is.
Wiki.
Kiwi.
Wiki.
Wiki. Right.
Okay. A wiki is a website where people collaborate on documents.
What kind of documents?
Anything. Functional specifications, internal technical documentation, FAQs.
Lunch menus.
Even lunch menus.
Good, because I'm hungry.
Let me show you. We're looking at a vision statement for our new product, Frogger 12. Now, anyone on the team can edit this document just by clicking on this little edit button.
Yoink.
And now I can change anything I want. I can change this price. There's a built-in spell checker.
Hold on a sec. This is in a web browser?
All in a web browser.
It looks like Word.
I know. Cool, huh? We spent more than a year developing a really solid WYSIWYG word processor in JavaScript with a table editor, text formatting, everything.
This is awesome.
I can insert a picture. There we go. When I click Save,
Yeah?
it's going to ask me to provide a comment.
This is optional, I hope.
Yeah, totally optional, but it's really useful because FogBugz is going to keep a complete history of every single thing I ever did forever.
That's
Everything.
nice. That's pretty cool.
So the FogBugz wiki...
Hey, hold on,
allows
Joel.
everyone
Hold
on
on.
the team-
Hold on.
What?
Can you stop for a second?
What? Why?
Can I check my email for a second?
Now? I'm in the middle of a demo.
Yeah, but I'm in the middle of bidding for the sweet Boba Fett figurine on eBay.
Can it wait?
Hey, I got an email from FogBugz.
Oh, yeah. It's telling you that the Frogger spec changed. You must have subscribed to it. See, FogBugz is showing you all the changes I just made to that article.
Sweet.
Like I said, FogBugz keeps a complete history of everything, so we can go back to any previous version of the article in case we screwed something up.
It's like unlimited undo.
Ultra unlimited undo, going all the way back to the beginning of recorded history.
Hey, Joel, do you think I could undo this haircut? Okay, what's next? Project management?
Yeah, project management.
Right.
I have a confession.
Yes, my son?
Before FogBugz 6 came out, I used to make myself a little list of things to do in Notepad.
Notepad?
Yep.
You heretic.
I know.
But you're supposed to do everything in FogBugz. That's what you always
Yeah,
tell
so
us
it
to
doesn't get
do.
lost.
Not even Emacs.
No.
Well, how could you?
Well, it was just easier to type it into Notepad. I didn't even save those files.
Yeah, Windows is pretty stable.
Yeah, I'm not going to lose anything. Anyway, I was determined that in FogBugz 6 it had to be easier to enter a list of tasks in FogBugz than in Notepad.
And was it?
Watch this. Click multiple articulation points. I hit enter and ta-da! Thousand-legged frogs. Enter. Let's see. We need a rotation dialog box. Enter. It's just as easy as typing in a text editor.
Wow.
We've just created all these features, ding, 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 without touching the mouse.
I see.
And actually, I think I'll assign them to you.
No.
Done.
Arr.
I like being the boss.
What are these features? Thousand-legged frogs? Okay, let me put in the estimates.
Okay. FogBugz likes it when you put in estimates. $2D, that means 2 days. Okay. 4H is 4 hours. 15 days.
Yeah, you betcha.
You developers, everything you want to do always takes 10 minutes, and everything you don't want to do always takes 6.5 years.
Serves you right.
Now, the reason we put all these estimates in leads us to the next major feature in FogBugz. It's called evidence-based scheduling.
Evidence-based.
Evidence-based scheduling.
Evidence-based scheduling.
Here, let me show you. Reports. Frogger the legend continues. What you're looking at is the ship date confidence distribution report. It tells me for any given date the probability of shipping by that date. So here, for example, we have a 50% chance of shipping by January 28th.
Joel?
Yeah?
We're supposed to be shipping by December 5th.
Well, we only have a 2% chance of making that date.
I don't get it. How does FogBugz know to do this? Does it just add up the estimates?
No. That would be easy.
Yeah?
But wrong.
Oh.
Yep.
Why?
Well, imagine that you estimated some feature is going to take 1 day.
Got it.
8 hours.
Right.
You imagining that?
I'm imagining an 8-hour estimate.
Could it take 16 hours?
What do you mean? It's an 8-hour feature.
That's just the estimate. Could it take 16 hours in reality?
Yeah, I see. I suppose it could.
Right. Could it take 24 hours?
Yeah.
40 hours?
Sure, yeah. It happens all the time.
Right. Now, think of it the other way. Could it take 6 hours?
Sure.
Can it take 0 hours?
Nope.
Now, can it take negative 32 hours?
You mean go backwards in time?
Yep. You implement the feature and go backwards in time.
No, it can't happen. An 8-hour feature cannot take negative 32 hours.
Okay, that's the key point. When features go late, they go late more than they could ever come in early.
So
if you have a bunch of estimates, you can't just add them up and hope that the early features make up for the late features. It'll never happen.
Okay.
So in fact, what FogBugz is doing here, it's actually doing a kind of Monte Carlo simulation. It's looking at the schedule for each developer. Here you can see what each developer's schedule looks like. This is the earliest date that Jane can possibly deliver all her stuff, and this is the latest date, January